Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. I do cleaning and organizing videos, and today I'm gonna share how to whiten our teeth at home. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching. كبرات حواتهم قاعد حن مساخهم سمي إيدن بحال لو ما عندك كم يجرنا سننا بجزانة نساعدوا مساحتكم شير كتكبري كتفتوا خا تصفي كبر يعني اللي حواتي. Okay guys, today we're gonna use last mile teeth whitening kit. You see it? This comes with this beautiful box that you can see, and this is how it looks. Can you see? Yeah. So this is 3 of them that I can use for 3 days, and this is a direction. And this is how it is packaged, so we're gonna check it out. Okay, كبرات حوات زي مصعدوي كم زي عليها تمص ابزي باكو مالتي لاس مايليوم زبحلو to direction ناتهم كا ابزنا لكم. دحر مس كفتنا يوم مالتيو ناي سلسته غيزي تري والله خمس سلسته سترين كالو so كم سرح كريكم. Okay guys, first all you need to do is brush your teeth, which is I did. You clean your teeth very well with any Colgate. Okay حوات مجمرة سنهم brush تقبروا مالتي وكمني مسرحكم تحل سنهم مسرع تقحط نقبروا مالتي. Okay guys, this is the LED light, so I'm gonna take off the battery to activate it. So you see, let's take it out and then I put it on again. I'm gonna attach the LED. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead attach the LED light with the mouse tray. Okay كبرات حوات نزي LED light مالتي مستناي mouse tray مسو attach قبري. After I attach the LED light and the mouse tray, I am going to use the gel, whitening gel, about 1/4 into the mouse tray, both sides. Okay, what? نزي مصعدو مالتيو اتحزين مشكلتي دحري جيل الله مالتيو ربع مالتيو كابتا تري وادا لهم ربعي خلتيو سايد طب غير خلخي مالتيو from there first. A cover and you put it back after you finish. All right. Okay. Right. I use about 1/4. This is gonna last for a very long time, you guys. See, this one you keep it for next time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Okay guys, after I put the whitening kit in my mouth, I turn on the LED light. I will wait about 10 minutes until the light turn it off by itself. Okay كبرات حوات مس ولع كواتا LED مالتيو ن10 دقيقة كتصبي دحر 10 دقيقة بعلها مستفقت شعو او طيخ حطبي مالتيو تحطبي خريكم. It's been about 10 minutes now. I'm waiting until it turn it off. 10 دقائق غير مالتيو anytime حجي خطافه انده دحري بقى اوصي خريكم. Okay guys, it just turned it off. Now I'm gonna remove it from my mouth and I'm gonna wash my teeth and I'll come back. Okay, كبرت حوات حجت حتى بخمتي بعلى تفي عملتي. Oh my god, you guys, it's only been 10 minutes and my teeth looks very white and I'm so happy about it. كبرت حوات عسرت دقائق كم زي عادي ليسني نيم حقت حبسه كم زي فتيني فلتني قدم حج مالتي. Okay guys, I am so surprised how white my teeth looks. I never tried any whitening before and I do recommend this one. You can see my teeth. It looks white and so beautiful, and thank you so much La Smile for sending me this kit. If you guys are interested, I will leave their information on the description box. زي مፃعدዊ ናይ ስንስ ፈፂመ ፈቲነ ይፈልጥነ እዚኦም ሰይዶም ለይ ሓድሽ ማለት እዩ ናይ ብሓቂ ስነይ ፃዕዳ ኮይኑ ክጽብቕ ፈትዮ ደገና ኻን ንክንደይ ግዜ ይረጽንሐካ ደጋጊምካ ትገብሮ ትኽእል ኢኻ እንተ ዳ ፈቲኹም ኮንኩም ናቶም ኢንፎርሜሽን ኣብ description box ክከትፈልኩም ኩፐን ካለዎም ዲስካውንት ኩፐን ማለት እዩ Thanks La Smile for sponsoring this video today. And thank you. Okay guys, I also gonna leave the discount coupon code for you on the description box. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Love you all so much. Okay, كبرت حوات زي عيني راني لومي فاتيهم ما تكونوا تسفان دا قبركم. عبس ما تيجي زي خسع زرقكم دحن كان نيو. I love you all so much.